Hello guys, we're back. We'll be continuing with changing the subject of the equation. We're actually doing case 2, and then case 2 is almost similar to the first case, and then you have symbols connected by a minus sign. What this means is something similar to the first one, or case 1, where it is connected by a plus sign, but in this case it is connected by a minus sign. Let's take a look at one from the previous example. Here notice that, let's say you have v equals to u minus t, and then it says transpose. Now notice the whole equation. When it says transpose for u, it means leave u by itself, and then all the rest must be on the other side, right? So if I want to make u the subject of the equation, or I want to leave u, I need to get rid of t, right? The sign between them is minus, so that means that I will have to add or subtract. Let's put it like that. We need to add or subtract. But the gist is that it has to become 0. So if you have t minus t, what would you do to make it 0? I would say plus t, right? So negative t plus t, that will make it 0. Because if you have negative 2 plus 2, then that cancels off. So that cancels off, right? That's the aim that we want to do, make it 0. So to make it 0, we plus t. So whenever we finish with that, remember that what we do to one side, we must do it to the other side. So I will say plus t, right? And then you end up with v plus t equals to u. Have we finished? Have we left u by itself? Yes. Our answer equals to u equals to v plus t. And then there we have it. Let's take a look at another one. 2 pi equals to w minus f, right? And then it says solve for w. So if we're solving for w, it means leave it by itself. So that means we need to get rid of this f. How do I get rid of the f? Minus f. To make it 0 would be plus f, right? That if I say f minus f, that's 0. Or negative f plus f, that makes it 0. So what I do to one side, I must do it to the other side. So since I said plus f, then I must say plus f. That goes off. That is 0. So that's why I just scratch it off. Then we have 2 pi plus f equals w. Have I finished? Yes. W is by itself. So my answer, that's w equals to 2 pi plus f. Right? I just switch the signs or the sides where w is, and then we have finished. One more. R equals to C1 plus C2, and let's say make C1, not plus, sorry, minus C1 the subject of the formula. Make C1 the subject of the formula. What does that mean? It means that you need to leave C1 by itself. And what is there apart from C1? The C2. So what we need to do is get rid of the C2. How do I get rid of C2? Negative C2, right? Negative C2. To make it 0, I must say plus C2, right? Because if I have C2 minus C2, that gives me 0. So I scratch this off. C2 minus C2, that's 0, scratch off. What I do to this side, I must do to the other side. What I do to the left, I must do to the right. Or what I do to the right, I must do to the left. Right? Then we have R plus C2 equals C1. And have we finished? Again, yes. C1 is already by itself. So we have C1 equals to R plus C2. Gone. Right? So you have seen it. It's quite easy. Just take a little bit of time. If you see a plus, then we said that to get rid of it, you will minus. And whenever you see a minus, to get rid of it, you will plus. That's why I said that you need to remember the little section there that the opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. Any questions? Leave it in the comment section or post it on the forum for me to get back to you. Thank you.